friends, today we are going to discuss our second chapter, Introduction to Writer. In this chapter, we will learn, get familiar with LibreOffice Writer, learn to create a document, learn to open, save and print a document. In this chapter, we will learn a new software, LibreOffice Writer, which is a word processor. First, let's see what is a word processor. A word processor is an application software that helps you to type text on a computer. The process of typing using a word processor is known as word processing. So, word processor is an application software and it helps you to type text on your computer. The process of typing using a word processor is known as word processing. There are many word processing software available now. Some of them are Microsoft Word, Notepad, WordPad, Excel text editor, OpenOffice Writer, LibreOffice Writer. Let us study about LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer is a Linux-based word processor. It is free and open source word processor component of the LibreOffice software package and a successor to OpenOffice. It is a user-friendly word processor. Let's see what we can do with LibreOffice Writer. We can type letters, stories, question papers, etc. in a simple way, make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. Modify the text using colors, styles and effects, add pictures in the document, correct spelling and grammars, copy and move text, save and open documents for future use, preview and print the documents. These all are the facilities that we can do with LibreOffice Writer. Starting LibreOffice Writer. To start LibreOffice Writer, first click on Applications menu, select Office menu from the submenus and click on LibreOffice Writer to open it. This is the window of LibreOffice Writer. Here we can see what all are the things which is presented on the LibreOffice Writer window. Here on the top side we can see title bar which was displayed as A. And under the title bar, we can see a menu bar which is represented as B. And below the menu bar, you can see a standard toolbar containing the shortcuts of save, print, etc. And below the standard toolbar, you can see formatting toolbar, which is used to format our document, which is represented as D. And below the formatting toolbar, you can see rulers, which is represented as H, and below the rulers you can see a white space which is called work area, which is represented as E, and on the bottom of the window you can see a long horizontal bar which is status bar, and on the right side of the window you can see scrollers which is called scroll bars and which is represented as G. Okay, so these are the tools which is displayed on the LibreOffice Writer. Creating a document. To create a new document, first click on File menu, select New option, click on the Text Document option. Here first click File menu, then selected New option, then you can select Text Document, then a new blank window will be opened. Some other options to start new window are select New icon from the standard toolbar, or you can click the shortcut key Ctrl+N on the keyboard. These are some other options to start a new blank document. Is adding new text. Neha is very interested in LibreOffice Writer. She has typed a story, The Greedy Lion, as shown in figure 2.4. She has typed a story as shown in figure 2.4. Let's see how she typed it. First start typing The Greedy Lion, then press Enter key. Continue typing up to Toad the Lion. While typing, cursor automatically shift to the next line. This feature is called word drag. Press Enter key. Again type up to Big Deer. Press Enter key. Continue typing up to Hair Off. Okay. So she typed like this first. She has typed the story and now wants to add one more line. Moral of the story: a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. She also typed it. Adding new line. Press the enter key and now the cursor moved to the next line. She started typing from the current cursor position. She typed moral of the story, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. We know enter key is used to type new paragraph or a new line. Next is selecting a text. Now she wants to remove the text. Moral of the story, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush from the story. For this, she selected the text like first she placed the cursor before moral of the story and by holding the left mouse button, she dragged the mouse over up to bush and then release the mouse button like this. Okay, like this she dragged and released the mouse button then. Now the selected text gets highlighted like this, okay, like this. Then delete selected text. To delete the selected text, moral of the story, simply press the delete key from the keyboard. After selecting this, then click delete key from the keyboard or erase the text using the backspace key. Okay, now the selected text was removed from the document. Now it is removed here. Formatting document. Formatting means changing and arranging the text in a document to make it more attractive. Formatting means changing and arranging the text to make it more attractive. You can format your document by using the formatting toolbar. This is the formatting toolbar. It helps you to make the text bold, italic, underline, and select font color, background color, etc. Okay, these are the items which is contained in formatting toolbar. Bold. Bold is a text formatting option that makes text appear thicker and darker. It's shown in the right side. Italic. It slants the character to the right. Underline is a text formatting option that adds a horizontal line beneath the selected text. Font color refers to the color applied to the characters or text in your document. Next is saving the document. To save a document, first click on File menu, click on Save option. Then type the file name as My Story in the file name box. Click on the Save button. This is a way to save a file in LibreOffice Writer. LibreOffice Writer automatically adds a period, means dot, and an extension OODT to the file name when the document is saved. The file name untitled on the title bar is replaced with a new file name mystory.odt. Okay, mystory.odt. Now, Neha knows another two methods to save a file into computer. They are click on the save icon from the standard toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus S to save the document. These are another two options to save a document. Next is close the document. To close the document, first click on File menu, then click on Close option. And then open an existing document. To open an existing document, first click on File menu, click on Open option, then select the file which you saved already in your computer, which is My Story, and then click on Open button. We have other two methods to open an existing document, which is click on Open icon on the standard toolbar or either press the shortcut key Ctrl plus O to open a file. Printing a document. Neha has completed her work and wanted to print the work. She loaded white paper into the printer tray and started to take printout of the story. Click on File menu, click on Print option. The print dialog box appears. Enter the page number and number of copies. Click on OK button. We have other two methods to print the document. That is, click on Print icon on the standard toolbar or press the shortcut key Ctrl plus P. Exit LibreOffice. After completing all work, we need to close the file. Okay. So, to close or exit LibreOffice Writer, first click on File menu, click on Exit LibreOffice. Or either you can use Close button on the right side of the title bar. Z to M finger position. Each letter on a standard QWERTY keyboard has an assigned finger for typing very quickly and easily. You generally use your fingers as follows for the letters Z to M. Z. Typically, you would use your left pinky finger to reach and press the Z key. X. Use your left ring finger. C. Use your left middle finger. V. Use your left index finger. B. Use your left index finger. N. Use your right index finger. M. Use your right middle finger. Friends, I hope you all understood, and that's all about this chapter. Thank you.